Rather than digging through endless folders and files housed under different names and in different places, Team Hubs bring together all of the right people, resources, and workflows required to initiate projects, coordinate progress, and stay aligned from start to finish. In this video, we'll show you what's included in a Team Hub and then walk you step by step through creating your very first team. First, let's cover what's included in a Team Hub. You'll be able to access all of your teams from your Lucid homepage here. On your My Teams page, you'll be able to see all of the teams you've created or been added to. If you previously had a team space, those documents have been automatically changed to Team Hubs, so you'll see them here. If you didn't have a team space, this page will be blank. But don't worry, soon it will be populated with all of your immediate and cross-functional teams. Select the team you need and you'll be taken to the Team Hub. Here, you'll see your team members, a team space that you can use as a primary coordination document. Think of this like a team bulletin board. And recent documents, which populates documents based on what was most recently opened. As well as document storage, which act as a team's filing cabinet for more streamlined organization and alignment. Now that you know what's included in your Team Hub, let's create your first team. From your My Teams page, select Create Team here. Give your team a descriptive name. For example, let's say this is a short-term cross-functional team for a new feature launch. I'll call it Feature Launch and the day of the launch, December 1st. Now add others to the team to collaborate. When considering who to add, ask yourself who will be contributing to the progress of this project and who from the different departments will be coordinating the work. Be intentional about who you add to the team. This will help you keep the space from being overcrowded and ineffective. Focus on the key contributors and resources required for moving the project forward. Select Create Team. The people you invited will be notified via email that you've added them to the team. They'll also see the team listed in their respective My Teams pages. And here it is. With your Team Hub created, now you can add a team space and create documents to share with the team. When you create a new document from within your Team Hub, that document will be stored here and will give everyone on the team edit and share access. You can also share documents directly with your team via the Share button here. Search the name of your team and select Invite. The document will now appear in the Shared with Team section of the Team Hub. For quick access to this specific Team Hub, you can pin it directly to your sidebar by right-clicking on the team icon and selecting Add to Sidebar. Now you'll be able to jump right in as soon as you log into your Lucid homepage. Lucid is reimagining the way teams work together by allowing you to visualize the people, resources, and progress of your projects, all in one place with Team Hubs.